Do you want to burn fat quickly? Are you looking for an efficient way to shed those extra pounds without spending hours at the gym? You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. All you need is a small space in your home and a little bit of motivation. You can do it at home. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even your backyard, any space can become your personal gym, and it only takes 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes of your day can make a significant difference in your fitness journey. This workout is perfect for beginners. If you're new to exercising or getting back into it after a break, this is the ideal starting point. It is simple and effective. The exercises are designed to be easy to follow, yet powerful enough to give you a good workout. You will feel great and see results fast. The endorphins released during exercise will boost your mood and energy levels. A quick workout has many benefits. It saves time. You can easily fit it into your busy schedule without feeling overwhelmed. You can fit it into your busy day. It boosts your energy. Even a short burst of exercise can leave you feeling more energized and ready to tackle the rest of your day. You will feel more awake and alert. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, helping you stay sharp and focused. It also helps you stay consistent. Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals, and a short, manageable workout makes it easier to stick to a routine. A short workout is easier to stick with. When workouts are short and enjoyable, you're more likely to make them a daily habit. You are more likely to do it every day. The simplicity and convenience of a home workout make it easier to stay committed. Working out at home is convenient. No need to worry about gym hours or commuting. You can exercise whenever it suits you. You can do it anytime. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can fit in a workout whenever you have a few spare minutes. You don't need to travel to the gym. Save time and energy by working out in the comfort of your own home. You can wear whatever you want. No need for fancy gym clothes. Just wear something comfortable. You can even do it in your pajamas. Plus, it is free. No gym membership fees or expensive equipment required. No need to spend money on a gym membership. Save your hard-earned cash and still get a great workout. This workout is designed for beginners. The exercises are straightforward and easy to follow, making it perfect for those just starting out. It is easy to follow. The exercises are simple. You don't need to be a fitness expert to get started. You will get a great workout without feeling overwhelmed. Let's get started. Join us on this journey to a healthier, fitter you. Warming up is important. It is the foundation of any good workout routine. It prepares your body for exercise by gradually increasing your heart rate and circulation. This helps to loosen the joints and increase blood flow to the muscles. It also gets your blood flowing, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This makes your muscles ready to work, reducing the risk of strains and sprains. Here are some simple warm-up exercises that you can do to get started. Start with marching in place. Lift your knees high and swing your arms to engage both your upper and lower body. Do this for 1 minute. It's a great way to get your heart rate up and start warming up your muscles. It will get your heart rate up, preparing your cardiovascular system for more intense exercise. It will warm up your legs and arms, making them more flexible and ready for action. Next, do some arm circles. This exercise is excellent for warming up your shoulders and upper back. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart to maintain balance. Extend your arms out to the sides, forming a T-shape with your body. Make small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size of the circles. Gradually make the circles bigger to fully engage your shoulder muscles. Do this for 30 seconds. Then reverse the direction to ensure balanced muscle activation. This warms up your shoulders, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. Now, do some leg swings. This exercise is great for loosening up your hip joints and leg muscles. Stand next to a wall or chair for support to maintain your balance. Swing one leg forward and backward. Keep your legs straight to fully engage your hip flexors and hamstrings. Do this for 30 seconds. Then switch legs to ensure both sides are equally warmed up. This warms up your hips and legs, making them more flexible and ready for more strenuous activities. Finish with some gentle stretching. Reach your arms overhead to stretch your entire body. Stretch up as high as you can to elongate your spine and improve your posture. Then bend forward and try to touch your toes. This will stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds to allow your muscles to fully relax and lengthen. This will loosen up your muscles, making them more pliable and less prone to injury during your workout. Now it's time for the main workout. This is where the real fun begins, and you'll start to feel the burn. Remember, consistency is key, and pushing through these exercises will bring you closer to your fitness goals. This workout has 5 exercises. Each one is designed to target different muscle groups and improve your overall fitness. By the end of this session, you'll have worked your entire body. Each exercise lasts 1 minute. It's important to maintain good form throughout the duration to maximize the benefits and prevent injury. Do as many repetitions as you can. Challenge yourself, but listen to your body. If you need to slow down, that's okay. The goal is to keep moving and stay active. Rest for 10 seconds between exercises. This short break will help you catch your breath and prepare for the next move. Ready? Let's go. First, do jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together. This is your starting position. Make sure you're standing tall with your core engaged. Jump and spread your legs. This movement should be quick and controlled. At the same time, raise your arms above your head. This will help increase your heart rate and engage your upper body. Jump back to the starting position. Keep a steady pace. Consistency is key to getting the most out of this exercise. This exercise works your whole body. It's great for cardiovascular health and helps improve coordination. Next, do squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. This stance provides a stable base for the movement. Lower your body as if you are sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight. This ensures that you're engaging the right muscles and protecting your spine. Go as low as you can. Then stand back up. Make sure to push through your heels to engage your glutes and hamstrings. This exercise strengthens your legs and glutes. It's also great for improving your balance and stability. Now, do push-ups. Get into a plank position. This is your starting point. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Place your hands on the floor, shoulder width apart. This helps distribute your weight evenly and engages your chest muscles. Lower your body until your chest is close to the floor. Then push back up. Keep your body straight. This movement targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If this is too hard, do push-ups on your knees. This modification still provides a great workout while reducing the strain on your upper body. Then do bicycle crunches. Lie on your back. Place your hands behind your head. This position supports your neck and helps you focus on your core. Lift your legs off the floor. This engages your lower abs and prepares you for the movement. Bring your right elbow to your left knee. Then switch sides. Keep alternating. This twisting motion targets your obliques and helps build a strong core. This exercise targets your abs. It's one of the best moves for building a strong, toned midsection. Finally, do high knees. Stand with your feet hip width apart. This is your starting position. Make sure you're ready to move quickly. Lift your knees as high as you can. Run in place. Pump your arms. Keep a fast pace. This exercise is great for cardiovascular health and helps improve your agility. This exercise gets your heart rate up. It's a fantastic way to finish your workout strong. Keep pushing, and remember to cool down and stretch after your session. Section 4. Cool down. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps your body recover, reduces muscle soreness, and brings your heart rate back to normal. Here are some cool down exercises. Start with a slow walk. Walk around your room and take deep breaths. Do this for 1 minute. It helps your body relax. Next, do some gentle stretching. Sit on the floor with your legs straight and reach for your toes. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds. This stretches your hamstrings. Now, stretch your arms. Bring one arm across your chest and hold it with your other arm. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds, then switch arms. This stretches your shoulders. Finish with a deep breathing exercise. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this 5 times. It helps calm your mind and body. You did it! You completed the workout. Great job. Now, make this workout a habit. Do it every day. It only takes 10 minutes. You will see amazing results. You will feel stronger and more energetic. Share your progress. Tell your friends and family about your workout. Encourage them to join you. Post about it on social media. Use the hashtag #10MinuteWorkout. Let's inspire each other to stay fit and healthy. Remember, consistency is key. Keep going, even on days when you don't feel like it. Every workout counts. You are doing something great for your body and mind. Stay motivated and keep pushing yourself. You have the power to change your life. Start today. Make this workout a part of your daily routine. You will be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's get moving and burn some fat.